Ladies and gents, welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. In today's episode, we're going to be preparing a delicious beef bunny chow. Now, this dish dates back all the way to the 1940s and originated in the third largest South African city, Durban. It's wholesome, it's delicious, it's got lovely flavor, it's spicy, and it's quick and easy to make. Made with some simple white bread, some beef cubes, some fresh spices, and you're ready to go. If you guys do enjoy today's video, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode we are doing the delicious beef bunny chow, one of South Africa's favorites. We're going to start off by chopping our onions, dicing them up nice and fine. But it doesn't really matter, you could just dice them, leave them in little slices. It's going to boil into a mush anyway. You can chop up about 3 tomatoes, would be ideal, and this is enough for a portion size of about 3 bunnies.
It down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No more.
Add everything to a bowl and put them to the side. Now, moving outside from our fresh garden, we are grabbing some fresh Thai green chilies. You can use some bird's eyes or anything. And if you'd like to purchase any of these chilies, check out www.mikesgourmetkitchen.com to view a variety of over 85 chili peppers.
I gotta tell you that
We're going to give our spicy friends a nice chop. Chop them nice and fine. You can leave the seeds inside and then add the chopped up chilies to our tomato mix.
so true. When I was down and out along I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go.
Get some heat going on your gas hob or your cooker top and then add about 6 tablespoons of some good sunflower oil. This will allow us to brown the meat and the veg and also cook up the spices beforehand. You can get them nice and hot before we add our onions. We'll give them a quick stir through before we add our spices. First up, we're going to add some chilli flakes, about 1 teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. One teaspoon of turmeric. Some 3-star anise for that nice sweet licorice flavor. 1.5 teaspoons of fennel seeds and also 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And then lastly, 3 teaspoons of our Madras masala mix. Ideal for beef and it tastes absolutely amazing. If you don't have that, you can add any type of mix that you want. There's some slight variations in the spices, nothing to be too concerned about. At this point in time, you can also add your veg, like potatoes, other vegetables like carrots, some cauliflower, anything that you want to add. In today's video, I'm just focusing on the meat preparation. With all that delicious cooking, we've had the spices and the veg cook up for about 10 minutes just to get all the aromatics out, and now we'll move on to preparing our meat. So I'm using about 600 grams of cubed beef. There's some bones inside, and this, like I said, will serve about 3 people. Give it a nice wash, get rid of all the blood and all the nastiness. And now we can move on to adding it to our pot. Add some coarse salt. I'm using some Atlantic sea salt, about 2 pinches. That's about 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix through. Make sure all the meat is coated in that delicious spice and tomato mix, as well as the onions. It looks a bit dry at the moment, so we're adding some more water, say about 250 ml. Our meat is also partially frozen, so it'll add some good moisture to the mix. Now we'll leave it to cook for about 2.5 hours, and then you'll have this beautiful result right in front of you. The meat is soft, it breaks off the bone, the sauce is nice and thick, and the aromatic is absolutely amazing. Now for our bread, we're just using some store-bought bread, not slices. You're going to want to unsleeve this big fella, cut him into 3 pieces, like 3 portions, size them up, and then start trimming out your delicious bread pillows from the inside. Don't cut all the way through to the bottom, just the top. You want it to serve as a kind of basket. And just to prevent some leaking, add it to a small dish. And now for the last part, I'm going to leave you guys. Dish up, add it to the bread, sprinkle with some fresh coriander and some lemon juice, and you'll be all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Feel free to comment down below the video if you'd like to see future recipes, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
Every day. I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah.
Ladies and gents, and that's the simplest beef bunny chow that you will ever see. You will notice in today's video we didn't add any vegetables or potatoes or anything like that. I wanted you to get the gist of preparing the meat. So if you want to in your own time, when you do cook it, add about 2 potatoes, it'll bulk it up quite a bit. I prefer the meaty taste of the bunny chow. Now, for the last part of the video, let's go ahead and give it a taste. You can take the piece of bread that you cut out, grab a piece of that, and dip it straight into the delicious bunny chow. It's so soft. Oh. That lemon and that fresh coriander is to die for. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. And that bread is just soaking up all that flavor, all that sauce, that spices and everything. It's so good. Let's give it a taste. That meat is delicious. Just have a look. Completely strings apart. It's soft. It's got all the flavor. There's no dead spots inside the meat. It's very bland or anything. It's just loaded with flavor. It's so good. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.